If you're thinking about grabbing this air purifier, I definitely have my honest thoughts about it. I've been using it for a week and I'm going to share all of that in this video here today. The air filter in here is unmatched. It can filter out almost 99.9% of the particles, which I love because I do keep this in my son's room and this is easy to put together. And it covers such a wide range. I love that it's slim. You can tuck it away in corners so it's not visible depending on where you have it. But I love that I got this received and I want to have it for almost all of my rooms. So I love it, and it has all the different features on there. It has the fans, it has 3 different levels. It has a sleep mode, which is a little bit quieter, that I use when my son is sleeping, and it has the timer, which I absolutely love that way because it does have the lights on as well. So love that that can be shut off, and I love that it has the different features on here. So I highly recommend this. Like I said, been using it for some time now and absolutely love it, and very thankful to have received this. And it's just such a great feature, the Kid Loft feature, because I have a toddler who loves to push buttons. So in my opinion, I think that this is such a fantastic purchase. I'm happy to have received this, and it is really great for any household, for any room, and I definitely think it's gonna be a staple. I absolutely love it and definitely recommend it to anybody looking for an item like this.